Well, going ahead and taking another look at our forecast here, a live view outside down in Orange Beach, brought to you by C Spire. Things look nice out there. We're seeing some sunshine, those waves still breaking a little bit further offshore, but still some low rip currents in place. It's looking nice, it's looking sunny, but also it's feeling hot out there. And just a reminder, right now is a great time to go ahead, download the Fox 10 weather app. That way you're staying updated with the forecast, tracking along with all of the alerts that we have out there, any of those showers or those thunderstorms, but also you can get some of the updates and reminder notifications for something like what we have heading into tonight. Let's go ahead and take a look at what you can possibly see heading into this evening, and that is going to be spotting the International Space Station. Now, this is only one of the things that you get to spot heading into tonight, so go ahead, set that alarm, set that timer for a little bit before 9 o'clock or even after, closer towards 9:05. At the time that you have the best viewing chance will be right around 9:08. That's just that estimate there for this is going to be for Mobile. Could be a little bit fluctuation based on where you're located. Hopeful for some of those clouds to continue to clear out of here. It will be visible for 7 minutes, so a decent window to see this International Space Station move across tonight. It's going to be appearing towards the southwest, disappearing towards the northeast. So look for it. It's going to be that bright dot moving across the night sky. But hey, it's not the only thing you'll be able to spot too. You also have the chance to see the Starlink heading into tonight. That's going to be a little earlier, 8:43, visible for 4 minutes. This is going to be a long line of multiple dots in the sky that push along, appearing towards the southwest, disappearing towards the northeast. But I'll have a final look at your forecast and what I'm tracking for the week ahead. That's coming up in just a little bit. Well, taking another look at your traffic conditions out there, and here's the good news. Traffic moving smoothly on the Mobile side in case you're heading out the door anytime soon. I-65 looks great. That congestion closer towards Wallace Tunnel, it is clearing out of here, making way for nice conditions. Even closer towards the center of the Bayway, you are going to have more of that slowdown right there in the center, closer towards that causeway on and off ramps. The rest of the causeway looks great, though. On the Eastern Shore, no major disruptions out there. Florida side also moving smoothly, just some slowdowns due to that construction there on I-10, but those drive times in case you're heading out across the Bayway anytime soon, 10 to 12 minutes in both directions. That's all I have for your traffic updates for this evening. Just make sure that you drive carefully out there. Welcome back into Fox 10 News. Taking another look at our forecast right now, and those rain showers across the Gulf Coast now beginning to fizzle out as we get closer towards sunset heading into this evening. They're losing some of that daytime heating out there, losing some of that steam. So just a little longer to go in case you are starting to see any of those showers or storms, but things look so much better over downtown Mobile. Taking a look from our Navigator Credit Union camera there at the Battleship. Slowly going to start to introduce that sunset heading into tonight. Those winds right now just out of the south out there. Temperatures upper 80s, but it's still feeling hot and toasty out there. Feels like temperatures closer towards the mid 90s. As we get further along into tonight, there's that rain coverage beginning to fizzle out. Temperatures still staying warm, staying muggy out there, dipping down finally to the upper 70s by 10 o'clock. But that sunset heading into tonight going to be taking place just a little bit before 8 o'clock in both Mobile and Pensacola. Sunrise heading into tomorrow just a little bit before 6 a.m. to start off Warrior Tuesday. But as we do make it further along into the afternoon, those temperatures are going to be maxing out once again, really those mid to upper 80s out there, around what we should be seeing for this time of year. But seeing those showers and storms once again firing off heading into the second half of the day. But in addition to the heat, we also have the humidity that we're going to be dealing with. And so the feels like temperatures, even looking ahead for the rest of the week, easily going to be in the triple digits. It's going to be hot. It's going to be toasty. Really no major fluctuations coming into play for the forecast. Very similar every single day. So in case you are working outside, spending more of that time outside, stay hydrated and take plenty of breaks. Almost going to be rooting for some of that rain coverage to help cool things down. We're going to start off on the quiet side to begin for tomorrow morning, seeing some of that sunshine. We make our way into the second half of the day, really coming into play after lunchtime. That's when we notice more of that cloud cover beginning to build in, already some isolated showers, and that's when we start to see more of even a scattered look for our inland spots. Heavy downpours, frequent lightning, gusty winds possible within any of these storms. But hey, it's summertime here on the Gulf Coast, so we know that these can just pop up at any point heading into the second half of your Tuesday. Keep that rain gear handy. Rain chances begin to fizzle out just a little bit after 7 o'clock. But as I mentioned, it's summertime here. We have this pattern every single day. No major fluctuations. It's going to stray us away from this pattern for the foreseeable future heading into next week. But I'm going to talk more about your forecast and a final look at the next 10 days coming up in just a little bit. Cameron. Taking a final look at your forecast and rinse and repeat. Truly, this is going to be our summertime pattern sticking around in full force. No major fluctuations coming to the forecast. Overnight lows beginning really your morning in the lower to mid 70s. Daytime highs lower to mid 90s, but feeling easily like the triple digits. Stay hydrated, take breaks, but have that rain gear ready to go mainly in the afternoons. We start to see more of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms.
All right, heat and rain chances is all I see.
Yep, exactly right. It's July.
Yeah, it is. Jen, thanks. We'll see you back here at 9.